welcome back to my channel. I've got curly hair today. This is actually my natural hair. I don't think I've ever filmed a video with my naturally curly hair, but I do have wildly natural curly hair. Total side note, but today's video is gonna be a great review and demo using a product that I've actually never ever used before here on my channel at all, which is super surprising. If you guys don't know, I am in the midst of moving, so I've been packing a lot and I found this and I was like, what the heck, why haven't I reviewed this? Anyways, today we are reviewing the Mary Kay. This is their Lash Intensity Mascara. Super exciting. I'm gonna be doing a full start to finish demo using the product and of course chatting about it afterwards. So if you wanna see my thoughts on this mascara, then just keep on watching. All right, let's just jump right into the demo. I have no mascara on my lashes at all right now. I just have a little bit of eyeshadow, which I know I tend to not do in my demos so you guys can really see, but it's pretty light, so I'm hoping it doesn't take away from it at all. So first thing I'm gonna do is just curl my lashes. I've been trying to get into a better habit of doing this, so I just take any curler. This one here I'm really liking. It's from Mary Kay as well. So I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. I just give it a couple squeezes. Some people do this after they apply mascara. I do it before. I'm nervous doing it after. I just don't think it's very safe, but I mean, do whatever you're personally comfortable with. So the packaging is super sleek and nice. I like the black packaging and it kind of has like a rounded edge, which is cool for holding it, the handle itself. And then the wand is where it's interesting. It's like the bristles only live on one side of it, which I've never quite seen before on a mascara wand. Nonetheless, this is exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, it's quite big. This is it on the side. This is it on the front face. And then behind, there's like no bristles on this side at all. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into applying. I'm trying to think like what angle I want to use for the actual mascara, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start coating my lashes. So this is like one layer of mascara on the eyes. I am not totally in love. It's a really nice like everyday light mascara amount, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. So I'm gonna go back in and add some more. I feel like going from the side is the best right now, but let's see. There we go. Starting to see some volume and thickness in the lashes. Ooh, much better. Okay, so this is 2 coats of mascara on the one eye over here, and then this is absolutely none. I'm gonna go ahead and add some bottom mascara, but as right now I'm enjoying the second layer of mascara that I just added. Okay, this is a little challenging because it's such a big wand. Trying to stay in frame for you guys. Okay, so this is one complete eye and then this is absolutely nothing. So as you can see, there is quite a big difference. I did go in with 2 full coats, and just a little FYI, some people think of coats as in like they only go on the lash once. I consider it like I went in and I coated every single lash once type of thing. So I take it as I dunked my mascara wand and went in once. That is one coat for me. I know some people have different views on what one coat of mascara means, but that's what it means to me. So I did do 2 coats on the top and 1 coat on the bottom. I typically never go in with more than just 1 coat. I will say right now, the size of the mascara wand is a little tricky on the bottom lashes. I felt like between trying to stay in frame and then trying not to get the mascara on my actual lower lash line, like my eye area, it was a little bit challenging, but the top lashes were super easy to use and navigate. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do this eye here and speed it up so you guys aren't too bored. Oh yeah, that's the trick right there. So you do have to use it like flat. You don't use the side, and that's what I was starting to do. So definitely go in with it complete, like all the bristles. There we go. That's such a difference from my first coat on my last eyeball. Okay, so that's coat number 1. I'm already like getting the hang of this mascara wand, knowing that it's gonna get better and better. So this is 1 coat. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 more coat and see what it looks like. Alright, so just after having it on for 5 minutes, I'm really enjoying what it looks like. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've kind of ditched false lashes the past, I would say, month, maybe even month and a half. I've really been just trying to embrace my natural lashes. There's a couple of reasons why I've kind of ditched false lashes. 1, it is really, really stressful sometimes when you're in a rush. And 2, I've just really been happy with my lash length. I have really long lashes, so I'm trying to just love what I've got type thing. Don't get me wrong, there are certain looks that I totally love a nice false lash, but for the most part, I've just been trying to do the natural lash look with lots of mascara, and I've really been liking it. And this mascara specifically is really great, I think, for that kind of false lash effect, because it really does add a lot of volume and thickness to your lashes, especially right at the base, which is what I find is something that false lashes really, really help with, is the thickness at the base of your lash line. If you have that kind of down, then you're almost to the like false lash effect. Lengthening wise, I mean, I have very, very naturally long lashes, but I feel that this mascara definitely adds quite a bit of length. I mean, even on my bottom lashes, I struggled applying it on my bottom lashes, and even through the struggle, my lashes on the bottom look really, really long, and I like that. So I definitely give it 2 thumbs up for length, volume, and thickness. The only issue I have is the wand. I don't know how I feel about the wand. When I got to my second eye, I felt like I got kind of used to the fact that there's only bristles on one side of the wand, and then the other, like the back side of it, is completely empty. So I feel like once I got to the second eye, I kind of got the hang of it, but even so, I'm still juggling around with it. Top lashes, it works okay because you can really get in there and you have more space, but on the bottom lashes, since the wand is quite big but only one-sided, I felt like it was a little bit challenging getting onto the lower lashes. I had to really get close to my mirror to ensure that I wasn't going to transfer any of the mascara down onto my lower eye. What am I trying to say here? I have to really get close to the mirror to ensure that my mascara wand wasn't gonna touch like my under eye area and transfer, and that gets so messy. But I actually didn't have any transfer on the top, and that's usually something that I struggle with no matter what the mascara. I always make such a huge mess and get it all over kind of my crease area, and then I have to go in, let it dry, and kind of buff it out, blah, blah, blah. I didn't have any issues with that one today. I will write a note in the description, or maybe pop a message right here on how it wears through the night. I am going out, and I'm gonna be outside, and it's kind of humid out, so I'll let you guys know how it lasts through that kind of weather, because it's not a waterproof formula to my knowledge. I've checked the website, I've checked the packaging, and it doesn't say it's waterproof, so I'm going to safely assume that it is not a waterproof mascara. So it'll be interesting on how it kind of wears through the humidity outside, because it's nasty out there. Whew. Super quickly, the mascara is available on Mary Kay's website for $22 Canadian. And sometimes on my Mary Kay reviews, I see some consultants commenting down below where they're from. So that's super helpful if you are looking to find a new Mary Kay consultant. Sometimes in the comments, you might find someone and be able to connect with them. Otherwise, you can head to their website, marykay.ca, and purchase there, and marykay.com if you are from the States. That is available for $22 Canadian, which I think is a pretty great price. I always find that Mary Kay prices are right in the middle of high-end and drugstore, and I think that's a great price because I swear by Mary Kay. I think that their quality of products and their packaging and everything that goes into them, I think are at the high-end level, but yet their prices are just beneath them, but not quite drugstore level, but you know what I mean? Like, they're in a good range, and I think that they are affordable for what they give in their products, especially. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and demo using the mascara from Mary Kay. Mary Kay, as you guys know, I love Mary Kay. They got a sweet spot in my heart. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and reviews. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.